This is a 5 inch industrial monitor. The structure is open frame structure and TP is capacitive touch screen. The resolution is 800 multiply 480 and the brightness is 340 nits. The main interfaces is USB, only one USB interface, and it has 5,000 hours lifespan. The operation temperature can reach -20 to 50 degrees centigrade, and the storage temperature can reach -30 to 60 degrees centigrade.